Yo. So what we're looking at right now is what any local business needs, period. Right now I'm here at Driven Strength and Performance. We're actually going to be submitting information for their Finding My Business on Google. Now, I'm going to express what that means, right? If you're a small business and you need to have your listings and details right, we're going to put all of the information we need here, right? Then we're going to put all the business details in here, right? I'm going to be able to put this, guess what? Open 24 hours a day, okay? So what we're doing here is from what to what? From 12 to from 12 to 12. I guess we have to do 99 for all, right? It says we're open, right? I'm putting the business hours open. Let's go here. Got to put the URL. And the reason why we're doing this right now is so that your business shows up everywhere. Driven Mesa. So right now what we're doing is I'm over here looking for the main site here. Okay. So we're going to do this. Okay. So when you go to the site, right, I'm going to end up going to the site, finding out what about us categories and stuff like that. So right now, submitting all the information. What day is? Oh, wait. Let's make sure we save it first, guys. Listen, that's rule number one. Always save things first, okay? Then this is the password you can actually get onto what we're actually doing to be able to do that. Now, for here, what I was able to just do is submit all their information. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to tell us in the processing of submission across all of these platforms, it's saying these are all unavailable, right? Unavailable, and we'll update it. And what these are going to do is these are submitting their information. Update, unavailable, submitting all of their information here. Okay. And it's saying it's unavailable now, but it's submitting it across all these platforms so that the SEO can go dramatically higher on their search engine optimization. Now, let me show you what I mean by that. Okay. So let's look at what this means. So you're wondering, like, what does this mean for Google My Business to have all these things? So imagine being on Alexa, all these other platforms commanding information. They're all collaborating data. So for you to have the same data everywhere is what matters the most. So I'm going to show you this. So let's click here and let's go to, what am I looking to show you right now? Okay. Let's go to my actual agency tab. Let's go to prospects and let's go to the prospecting review I just did with him in his local area. Look at this. This is a high conversion rate. Look at, I've been working with them on the site. Now look at the difference in the ability of conversion rate. These people I've never worked with before. I actually did this after I started working with him. I just did this, even though I've been working with him for a couple months, rebuilt his page, which shows the conversion rate most likely is a lot higher than all these other people that I've looked at them get in here, which we want to make that shit even higher, which is all in simplifying things. Now, what we're going to do is we're actually going to look at his report and why this is important to look at the report. Check this out. So right now, we're looking at him in the position where he's at and submitted all his information and his listings, right? These are all the listings he's on. These are the ones we just submitted, plus even more than that. Now, this is his ranking. Now, the power of being in this whole Mesa area and being able to rank up in these places is what we're fighting for now by putting us everywhere. Now, also says for now, it says like the listings are incorrect. That's what we just fixed. Business name, address, phone number across every single platform, exactly the same. Okay. And these platforms, it's showing these two things that are not done correctly, right? It actually holds it against them. It actually really holds it against them because it doesn't rank well because it's not all attached. So what we did is we fixed that with this. We just submitted these all the same exact name across all platforms. Look at this. Look at all these platforms. Submission, submit. And they're all going to help you rank on Google My Business more because it's going to show more value that you are doing the work to be in places. This is what it does, okay? So this is how you up your SEO in a local business ASAPatano. This is how you do it. You do rankings. You can find me at expertmarketly.com, and you can join into the program and get your listings done here too as well. But otherwise, hey, keep building. You already know, keep subscribing, keep joining my page. This is how you can use listing to increase your local SEO on Go High Level. Let's go.